Hi there! I'm Benny the Brainy Cow. Welcome to my vibrant classroom, where learning is always an adventure. Are you ready? Today, I'm inviting you into my secret shortcut lab. We're going to master the keyboard and make your computer work like a dream. Look at this, a giant 3D keyboard. To use these tricks, we usually hold down the Ctrl key, then tap another letter. Let's try it. First up is the magic trio. Watch this. I'll jump on Control and see that stands for copy. It remembers what we picked. Next is Control and X. This is the cut command. It's like magic scissors that make things disappear so we can move them elsewhere. And finally, the best part, Control and V is for paste. Boom! Now we have dozens of apples everywhere. That was easy, right? Oh, I accidentally typed the wrong word. Don't worry, we have the time travel keys to save the day. Watch this. I press Ctrl and Z. This is the undo button. It takes us back in time to before the mess happened. But wait, what if I like that word? I can use Ctrl and Y to redo it. It brings the word back again. Now, let's give our words a makeover. We can make text look different with just a few taps. Let's start with being bold. Press Ctrl and B. See how the word becomes thick and strong? That's bold. Perfect for when you want to stand out. What about some style? Ctrl and I makes the letters lean. This is called italic. It looks so fancy and stylish, doesn't it? To make it really professional, use Ctrl and U for underline. It adds a sleek line right at the bottom. Very neat. Time to be a quick manager. When you finish your work, you must save it. Press Ctrl and S to keep it safe forever. If you need to share your work on paper, Ctrl and P summons our friendly printer. Look at it go. It will printing our colorful chart. Want to start something brand new? Ctrl and N. Then it will open a new blank canvas. After a long day of work, it's time to tidy up the lab. Ctrl and W gently folds your document away. See you later, File. And when we are totally finished, Ctrl and Q shuts everything down. The lab is going to sleep now. Good night, shortcuts. Look, all our shortcut friends are here for a parade. C, X, V, Z, S, and all the rest. They're your best tools now. You did it! You're a shortcut master. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more brainy fun with me, Benny. Bye-bye.